Welcome. My name is Tariqul Islam, Assistant Professor at Kotokali Science and Technology University, Bangladesh. In this video, I'll discuss about environmental impacts of geothermal energy. Though geothermal is a clean and green energy source, it has some environmental impacts worldwide. Geothermal power plant has both positive and negative environmental impact. The environmental consequences can be immediate or permanent. Firstly, come to the positive impacts. Geothermal power plant is environmental friendly. Positive impact of geothermal plant can be described by comparing with other source of energy. The positive impact of geothermal power plant includes reduce gaseous emissions to the atmosphere, limiting water pollution, less noise pollution, comparative less land use, and less water use. First of all, reduce gaseous emissions to the atmosphere. The use of geothermal energy reduces the greater use of fossil fuel, which indirectly reduce the gaseous emissions to the atmosphere. Secondly, limiting water pollution. To avoid brine pollution of groundwater system, used geothermal fluid are pumped back into geothermal reservoir using thick casing well. They are not allowed to contaminate surface waterway. Injection system decrease surface water pollution and improve the resilience of geothermal reservoir. Third one is less noise pollution. Generally, noise is generated during road construction, excavation for drilling site, well drilling, and well testing during the development stage of a geothermal power project. Although those can cause some inconvenience to local residents, they are only temporary. Various devices such as transformer, turbine, water cooling tower engine, pump, fan, or other source of noise during regular plant operations. If noise pollution can be reduced and the ultimate result is less contribution for noise rather than other source of energy. Okay, comparative less land use. Land acquisition is needed for the construction of a geothermal power plant and the essential change in the land will be occurred. Land is required for well construction, substations, access roads and auxiliary buildings. Actually, it is lower than other types of power plant to acquire land. Then limiting water use. Water is required at any stage of a geothermal project. This is just like every other large scale power generation project. However, geothermal project requirements are relatively simple to meet. Furthermore, in most situations, water consumption may be regulated to reduce environmental impacts. The drilling of well and discharge of excessive heat are the two main fields of water use, but it is very limited. Now, the negative effects of geothermal power plant. Geothermal power plants have some negative impacts to the environment in the two phases of plant development. First one is drilling operation phase. Drilling up to depth of 500 meter to 2500 meter is needed to use both low and high temperature geothermal source. Drilling and well monitoring have different consequences such as deforestation and vegetation degradation can occur during the construction of access road to drilling location. Drilling operation disrupt the surface of the soil. The disposal of soil and liquid waste as well as the release of gas. Drilling produces a significant amount of noise. The drilling activity of a geothermal power plant disturb natural feature, ecosystem and wildlife. Okay, then second phase is mass withdrawal. Consequences which are rarely noticed during mass withdrawal phase is the withdrawal of large quantity of geothermal fluid is needed in large scale geothermal system with high temperature liquid dominated exploitation. Even if all the used liquid is re-injected, the discharge of water vapor into the air from the power station can result in a significant loss of liquid and it's up to 30%. The formation of two-phase zone, which is steam and water, in the upper part of geothermal field is one of the major consequences of mass loss in geothermal field. Disposal of wasted liquid. During the disposal of wasted liquid, the effects rarely seen, like if the geothermal waters are discharged following uncontrolled manner into the environment, they would pollute the surface and groundwater. Due to change in the biological potential, it would lead to a loss of water flow function. The disposal of wasted gas. Although geothermal systems are beneficial in terms of reducing air pollution, they do not have some drawback when it comes to disposing of gaseous waste. Since the gas removed from the borehole are not released into the air and are re-injected into the ground after releasing their heat, pollution to the ground may have an effect on groundwater. Gas emissions from closed-loop system apply only to operating fluid leakage, which accounts for a very small percentage of total annual fluid volume, since this has the potential to damage living organisms. Land subsidence. Subsidence or the gradual lowering of ground may be related to a drop in geothermal reservoir pressure. Injection technology is a good way to protect the land subsidence event. Occurrence of landslide. Many geothermal fields are located in rough volcanic terrain that is vulnerable to landslide. Some fields have been built on top of ancient volcanoes. Landslide may be caused by earthquake, and while geothermal extraction or injection can cause induced seismicity, it is highly unlikely that such activities will result in an event large enough to cause a major earthquake. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.